Yo, what is up everybody? What is up? What is up? We are walking in the country underneath the big oak trees and the old abandoned houses like you see there. It's pretty cool. Quiet town, ton of trees, some ramshackled stuff and some not so bad. Could use a little work for sure. Old cemetery back there too. Nice old pecan trees. This part of the South is known for agriculture, corn, watermelon. I've seen pumpkins, peanuts, pecans, anything you want, you can pretty much get it here. And we are waiting on a train. Chugging up the hill. Going from west to east. Dad down there filming for his channel. Still gnat season down here in the south. And mosquito season. And ant season. Look, no cars have been down this road. But now there's 3 cars on the other side waiting to come. Like, how idiotic can you be? You know all these roads connect to the train track. Pretty sure I was stepping in an ant bed. There you have it, on the bowline, trains in the south. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Shoot me a message, I'll respond to you. All right, see ya.